Hi, this is Chef Rick, and today I'm going to be making a lemon iced tea. Okay, off we go. 500 ml of water, cold water, in a saucepan onto the stove. Get that nice and hot. In a clean container, we're going to add caster sugar, it's 100 grams, and the tiniest little bit of bicarb. Once the water is boiled, add it to the sugar and the bicarbonate of soda, or baking soda, again if we're in America. If you're in America, I'm sure you know how to do this already. Give it a stir around, you'll see that everything dissolves there, all goes nice and clear. That tiny bit of bicarb is going to stop this being bitter. It's going to keep it lovely and sweet. I don't know how it works, but it does. You only need the tiniest bit as well, like a pinch. Swirl that round. Into that I use a small handful of fresh mint, stalks and all. I put the stalks in there because it's easier to fish out at the end. And 5 tea bags, standard tea bags, PG tips, whatever. 5 tea bags in there. A gentle swirl, that's it. You are not making a cup of tea, just make sure that they're all covered. Leave it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, it's going to look like that. Fish out the mint, fish out the tea bags, use a slotted spoon. This is another reason I used to make this. I used to pick the leaves off the mint. Now I just keep them on. It just makes it easier to fish out. You are not going to really taste any mint in this, by the way. It just adds the most background note of menthol there. On a boiling hot day, this feels like an even colder drink. Don't give those a mad strain as you take them out. You are not making a brew. You literally just want to get those tea bags out, get them in out, fish around in there. Just make sure you've not left any debris. Lemon juice. I love how it does that. It just goes that colour straight away. That's the juice of 3 lemons. And now top up with cold water. You can make this in this jar. That's what I use, or anything, any clean container will work. Top that up, close the lid, just give it a little shake. That's quite enough. Get it in the fridge, and the next day serve it with some ice. Really, you want to put a nice slice of lemon in there, maybe a little mint sprig if you're serving it to someone nice. And that's a lemon iced tea. My opinion, the world's most refreshing drink. If you can think of a more refreshing drink, tell me in the comments and I'll make it. But yeah, this would be my entry. I think on a hot day, there really is nothing that quenches your thirst like it. I really hope you enjoyed that. Just a quick little fun video. If you did, please hit like. If you want to see more from me, click subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.